I'll have some friends over. I don't know. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, step it down. Come. Tu me dis, Lille. This is a crème de la crème avec Marcel Pilatissimo. Ok, j'en ai pour 5 minutes. D'accord, on pose là. Ouais. Excuse me, this is going to my office, but this is my name. So, how am I going?
This one. You
This face really spend moment. I love it, this week. Yeah? You know how to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, bonjour, Swan. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Virginie Le Terrier. C'est-à-dire qu'il n'y a pas de Philippe de Cœur. Philippe de Cœur, c'est faire comme ça. C'est parfait. Merci beaucoup.
I'll figure it out. You sure? Appreciate it. You should have got a few boxes all over my breath for you. People actually talk to each other. That's cheaper. Why did I say You better rather.
Where is her mother?
She passed. Kill herself. House was raised by her grandmother. Honestly, I went to that house. Working all over here. They're in South House when I wasn't.
It's not easy to do a single day. I've been working nights and I actually get really sick.
What do you do?
I'm actually
On TV?
here. You good to do it?
No, ma'am.
Never?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup, Barbara.
Just have some time.
Merci beaucoup. Merci. Non?
Alice, that's my name. Alice, you understand? Afraid of what? I'm talking to you. Well, you tell me how it works then. Nobody here's doing shit to me.
I just should be, okay? You should go. Now. Okay?
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks. That's why she says I can. No. No, it's better to do it first. Just for me. Okay. There's another thing.
I got to do something.
No one uses it to trust me. What if this is the but the more becomes fascinating in investigation, the more we know why so she wants, she's got everything right about the things. That's what we found so when we should do.
checking all the work and stuff.
I'm not friends.
Salut. Yeah, ça va.
Mais tu vois, c'est technique que tu dis. Non, je suis une pas vraiment. Die spelers are all from the body. Je sais que fois, je suis alors, je suis là, not the school, the center. And then the big times, the top, this and that, and she's really so there's a chance. Aqui, is a man of the je cherche à grand, arabe et so we're going to come up and then we can enjoy some. Oi, vai com os peixes, não?
I don't care. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do it too. I'm not protect her.
Understand? What you can see some of it.
What we should do is go back to the spot and we got those pictures.
Dis-moi mal ce marxiste qui se passe là, juste à ici.
Mom, and then that, we got a job. We can do stuff. I'm not, we're in the apartment.
Did you go for Trump?
No,
Voilà.
I didn't vote. I voted. I was arrested. I didn't vote for that. Found all of them.
Yes. It's right there. In my office.
Vous connaissez quelqu'un là-bas?
American anywhere?
Ok, d'accord. On peut juste retrouver ça sur les photos, s'il vous plaît. Donc, je sais pas. Le gars, il va avoir un petit peu
Hey! 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 What happened?
I'm sorry, I can't talk to that guy anymore. He's just saying some horrible things.
What?
Like he just wants to get mad at children, doesn't care which one.
That's it?
That's it. What do you mean, that's it? He's a racist.
Okay, he's a racist. He said I'll talk to him.
No, I don't talk to him, no.
Well, he might know something.
No, he doesn't know something. Yeah, we're not going to send him going to jail.
My daughter is innocent.
Then we need this conversation.
Well, you live in some fancy ass world, honey. I work with guys like that all the time.
It doesn't matter, okay? It's not right.
I'm not saying it. I'm trying to get my little girl out of jail. That's all I give a fuck about.
You sound very American right now.
Good. I am.
Yeah, you're also a stranger here. You don't understand shit. You know what? How did you think you could do this?
I'm dealing with it. Allison told me to give you a letter. I did. And have a conversation.
Is she looking for a key?
I told you I did. Nobody's talking about money. Okay? No. This is Foster. Don't do that.